Welcome to RPG Maker News. I'm your host, Salik, and in today's news we have a character art of a bespectacled person by a vending machine, a pack of 20 sci-fi themed soundtracks by Void One Gaming, 5 experimental distorted music loops by Makoto Hiramatsu. Next, we have 3 new MZ plugins by Misty. First plugin that adds a fast traveling system using items. Second plugin adds a quest system and mechanic by also using items. And third plugin that adds a symbol encounter system with random appearance position for enemies. You will have to read into the plugin to understand what that is. Next, we have 32 sprites of different types of pixel grass by Stylo. RTP edited tiles by Gyunyun Monaka with more rounded rock walls. And lastly, a resource spotlight article on Lowe's Battlers written by Hidden One. That's all for today. Go back to game making now.